Letter from President Isaias Afewerki to Mr. Ban Ki-moon. Dear Mr. Secretary General, for the past 10 years or so, Eritrea has remained to be a target of malicious and concerted practices of human trafficking. This despicable ploy was unleashed in tandem with the decision to block the implementation of the final and binding, arbitral decision of the border dispute, and is part and parcel of the war declared against the country. This crime, which is unparalleled in its magnitude, complex organization as well as the immense suffering that it inculcates on its victims, continues to increase from bad to worse. The architects of this scourge have further resorted to various schemes, under suitable labels, to conceal and disguise the crime as well as their real identity. Indeed, the latter machinations are not less in intensity and impact than the original crime. As Your Excellency will agree with me, the government of Eritrea has statutory obligations, as well as universal moral and humanitarian responsibilities, to stem and eliminate the perpetration of the hideous slavery and flagrant violation of human rights meted on its citizens. In the event, the government of Eritrea emphatically requests the UN to launch an independent and transparent investigation of this abominable affair so as to bring to justice the culpable parties.